What's going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam? Guys, thank you for all the support over the last 2 years since I've been here. I know a lot of you are and have been loyal customers to Lake Pro Tackle, and we just want to say thank you, of course. Tim's doing a lot of the in-store stuff here, and being a great personality on the camera, as I'm behind the camera. You know, we have a lot of fun with it. You know, we definitely want to grow this YouTube channel, grow the Lake Pro Tackle family as much as possible. We just hit 4,000 subscribers not too long ago on YouTube. We're also coming up on 8,000 followers on Instagram, as well as, I'm not even sure, on Facebook. But we appreciate all the support over the last couple of years since I've been here for sure. We're doing a little giveaway as a thank you for the 4,000 on YouTube. And of course, we're going to be doing some more along the way once we reach 5,000, you know, 10,000, everything like that. But who knows when that's going to happen. But let's focus on the now, guys. We've picked out 2 of our favorite fishing lures, each of us, and then we also have another surprise item at the very end here. So I'm going to go ahead, start it off. We're going to tell you kind of how you can enter first off. So all you have to do is comment on this video. Just what should they comment, Tim?
Just say 4,000.
4,000. That's it. Just comment 4,000. If you want to add a little extra note in there, we really appreciate it. We love seeing all the comments. Of course, y'all are asking so many great questions as well, and that's one of the reasons why I think we're going so much. Y'all are interacting, helps the algorithm. Of course, leaving likes on the video. But to enter this giveaway, just comment 4,000. I'm going to do a winner video specifically for you. So hopefully you subscribed, you're watching the videos, and if I don't hear anything within like a week or two, we're just going to do another one. So I'm going to go ahead and kick it off with my first lure here. The first one that I picked out are the 6 Sense Divine Shaky Head Worms. Now this is dark melon red, works in all different types of water. It's just kind of like a California 420 watermelon color. Red flake, basically great on shaky head, probably my preferred way of fishing it. Works great on a Nico rig. It's got enough body to hold a weight, as well as, of course, just a normal Texas rig.
Pops up pretty good too.
It does. It does have the, not like rattlesnakes, but it does have some grooves in there, which do catch a little bit of air as it goes down. So it stands up really, really neat, just like that. So that's number 1 for me.
I'll go that.
Fall fishing essential right there.
Yeah, well, if you know, you know. A little dipper is one of the best baits, probably. That's one of the best baits.
Probably one of the standard swim baits.
You can't on a little mini max chatterbait, clean. You can throw it through grass.
Yep.
You can put it on the back of a buzz bait. It worked really good on an A rig. I mean,
it's great in the fall time too. It doesn't have like a very heavy tail action.
Has a nice little thump to the tail too, and it's got a little bit of weight to it. It's not like really. It's got a little bit of...
Yeah, you can use a little bit lighter weight when using the skinny dippers or little dippers just because they are salted pretty well.
I think I even caught a fish on a wobblehead on this before.
No?
Not a white one, but I caught one. Yeah.
Right. So lots of ways to rig that up.
Yep.
Next up for me is going to be a craw style bait. I just went with the Yama craw. It is very similar to something like a rage craw. Yep. Most of them are all very similar anyway. Big claws, big presence. So once that water starts dipping below the 70 mark, leading down into the high 60s, that's when these craws will definitely start playing a little bit more. When, you know, a lot of people are throwing a lot of finesse jigs and stuff, you can probably get a little bit bigger bite. This color here is probably by far my favorite color. This is Green Pumpkin Magic. And I don't think, they do call it Green Pumpkin Magic. I didn't know if Zoom had like a monopoly on that name.
Special,
yeah, so that's the Yama Crow right there. Again, you can do a lot of things with this one. Very buoyant plastic as well. So if you throw it on a Texas rig, that thing is going straight up in the air.
And the claws, it's pretty thin.
Yes.
So, and they do
little subtle movements of like a Texas rig or a jig.
That's why they pop up nice.
And they just tingle there. So that's number 2 for me.
And number 2 for you, another craw for us, but it's a great little craw. This is the X-Zone Adrenaline Craw. For a while there, during all crazy COVID, you couldn't get a dang Z-Craw. And so these guys came around, and they're a great company out of Canada. And I know the tactical bassing guys really like this. This is probably, he throws this a lot on a wobble head too. But it's cool, it has a really good flipping head. See how it's got a
nice thick
head, so if you could put a flipping hook on, it's not going to rip it.
Right. The Z-Craw, it's a little different. They turn the head sideways.
So it's still flat,
so more
but on the head is more material, so when you put like a straight shank hook on, it's not going to blow it out.
Yeah, when you're Texas rigging.
And they have floating craws too on them.
Yep.
And they look great. They're a great bait.
Runs really good in the
This
water.
is the normal size, and even makes some smaller ones too.
Yep. So that's just a black and blue there.
Can not go wrong with this bait.
It's 4 1/4 inch as well. So,
Yep.
you know, very similar in terms of these two styles. That's a little more finessey in my opinion.
Yeah.
Obviously,
This
these
is
are
more
much
like
bigger
a-
claws.
Like a rage craw, and it's kind of more like a
Right.
the old
But
structure bug deal.
They all have their strengths.
Yep.
So these are the ones we chose. And then the final item,
Get a Lake Pro hat.
you get a Lake Pro tackle hat. So super cool, guys. We got all this stuff available for y'all to the Lake Pro Tackle fam. And all you have to do to enter, comment 4,000 below on this video, and we're going to be randomly generating a winner from that. So thank you so much again. 4,000 subscribers is a huge milestone. We greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you next time at Lake Pro
Thanks.
Tackle. See you guys.